Hello guys, you want to know how to set your praise to sound this way? So in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to set your keyboard to sound this way. So if you haven't subscribed to this video channel, please do well to like, subscribe and share. So let me put it on default, then we set it up proper. So it's now on default. This is PSR E463 by the way. Hope you're getting it. So we're going to be using clavier as our dual voice and jazz guitar as our main voice. So jazz guitar is on, let me put on 0, it's on 044 on PSR E463. You can get it on other numbers on other keyboards of A series brands. So we have set our jazz guitar. So the next thing we're going to set up is our M volume. To do that, you click on function here and use this arrow to look for your M. You see? It's on 84. Let's put it on 127. Okay. Yeah, that puts it on the highest. You can use your volume to control it later on. So we have now set our M volume. So what we're going to set next is our dual voice. So clavier is on 337. To do that, you click and hold on your dual. You see? And leave it. It will now show dual voices. You put clavier is on 337. See the button? I'm using the button. You can also use this. You understand? Clavier. Hope you're seeing it. So after setting it, you now set the volume, your dual volume. Click on function again, then use this arrow. Let's put it at 070. That is 70. Hope you're following. After setting that up, let's check our dual octave to see it's on 0. Let's leave it at 0. So let's check our dual to see how it sounds first. See? So without the dual, let me switch it off. You know it's activated here, so let me deactivate it and check. So you see, you're not hearing that's jazz guitar like sounding. See the difference? So next thing we're going to set up here is our harmony. We are going to be using echo. To do that, you click and hold your harmony. And hold your harmony. Look for echo. It's on 22. Yeah. See what we're going to be using. Echo 1/8. Let's check the volume. Let's leave it at 80. Then switch it on. Activate it. Let's see how it sounds. Let's increase the volume a bit. Okay, it's not activated yet. Let's activate it. Yeah. It's activated. Now let's put it at 80. See? Without the harmony. You see? With the harmony. You see? See how nice it sounds. So our bars, we are going to be using solo sign. Hold and click. Hold down your splits. Oh, it's already on solo sign. Yeah, 5, 6, 8. Let's set it up as well. Click on function. The split volume here is, I've set it already. That's why it's on. The split octave is on 0 as well. So you activate it. It's stopped here. So let's increase the beat. Let's look for our split point. Let's look for our split point. Remember, use this arrow to go up and down. Let's look for our split point. Split point. See, I'm checking, looking for my, so it's on 60. Let's increase it to like 65. Stop somewhere like somewhere here. So 65 is okay. So it's now set off. Our split voice is now set off. So the next thing you're going to do now is, let's check the split octave as well to see if we will reduce the bass a bit. Our split octave. No, let's put it at 0. 0 is okay. See? So it's now set off. Let me now play something with it so that, okay, another thing is the style we are using is Makossa. I've already set it, but see the number here. Let me show you guys. Okay, this is modern Afrobeat. You can use modern Afrobeat on this keyboard, but you can also look for Makossa. You understand? Makossa is somewhere around 1. No, I've passed it. Modern Afrobeat is on 165. Then Makossa, yeah, 164. But I'm using modern Afrobeat. The tempo is too much. See the tempo, yeah, see where I said the tempo. So the tempo is on 90. So you see, the tempo is on 90. So let me play something with it, then we'll call it a tutorial. So it's too slow, the tempo. Let me increase to 100 and play again. So this is how the best way to set your keyboard for Makossa praise. So this is PSR E463. Thank you guys. Hope you learned something on this video tutorial. Do well to like, subscribe, share, and see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye.